Hello, I am Alex from Englishfor2day.
Hi, my name is Matthew. Alex is my friend.
Today, we will talk about the importance of tree plantation.
Let's get started. Good evening, Alex.
Good evening. You have been sleeping all the afternoon. No more, just leave the bed.
It has been raining all the afternoon too. What shall I do? You tell me.
It's not raining now. Let us go to the market and buy some trees.
Trees?
Yes, trees. There is an open place in between our school and the pond behind it. We shall plant some trees there.
Have you taken permission from the authority?
Yes, I have taken permission.
You are just taking burden.
Burden? Do you know that we've been suffering silently for want of adequate trees? The ongoing increases of carbon dioxide in the air, warming of local temperature, river erosion, air pollution due to dust are all the result of lack of trees.
Are all these true? How can it be relevant with trees?
Not only these, disappearing of various species of birds and animals are directly related to adequate trees and forests.
You didn't tell me, how?
It is ecological mechanism. On the zoological living beings are directly or indirectly dependent on trees. The place remains cool and calm if there are trees.
Thanks, friend. I didn't really know all these. Let us go to buy trees.
Let's go.